If you're watching on YouTube, hello. Hit subscribe if you haven't already, if you're watching on YouTube. I think the channel's called Chris Creates with an 8 in it instead, which is, I thought was really clever, but anyway. So today we are on day 55. Day 55. So, nay bad at all. Getting there. So, topics, as usual, weight loss, hopefully, diabetes challenge, lots of walking, learning to code, and live streaming. So, I want to get straight into it. If you're watching, say hello. Anna, how are you doing? Anna's here. Cool. It gets to like 9:30 and everyone's like, oh, Chris is on. Maybe not everyone, just a couple of people. But anyway, doesn't really matter. Diabetes UK. So, still on for my challenge yesterday. Oh, I haven't updated yesterday's figures. Oh, no. I'm going to have to do it like on the fly now. Right, 2 seconds. Go into health. If you've got an iPhone, you can have a look yourself. Go into health, click steps, and then you can update your steps. Or you can't update your steps unless you're in part of the challenge. But anyway, that's by the by. So, 20... No, that's already done. 23.6. Yesterday. Okay, so yesterday was 27,000. Let me add my steps in. Log steps, 27,229. Yesterday I did 2 large walks. Is that what you'd call it? A large walk? Hi, Phil. That was yesterday, so 23rd. Bosh. Cool. And then today I'm on 25,898, so I'm already over my allowance or requirement for the day today, which is a winning. So that was good. Hi Kim, how are we doing? Hope everything's good. So yeah, stepping wise, going well, and I'm on a week off this week, so I should have a bit more time to get out there and get some more steps in, really. So I should be able to kind of get some more in the bank, to be honest. Today, in terms of the coding stuff, I did about 3.5 hours of the tutorials today, which is really good. I'm pretty much at the end, actually, of the HTML one. Starting the CSS one probably tomorrow. So that's good. Definitely getting there with that now, which is very, very good. Hopefully, not next week, probably the week after. I'll have done some sort of project, I think, at least, and I have something to show that I've actually built. So I'm not going to share what I've done between now and then, basically, but I will share it when I'm happy with it, essentially. Cool. I wouldn't go as far as trying. Like, I'm trying to become a coder. You're becoming a coder. Yeah, I'd like to be a coder. I'd like to do development and stuff. Yeah, essentially. So at the moment, going through like a HTML5. It is a beginner's course, and then a CSS3 beginner's course, but then a bit more deep dive into it, and then going on to JavaScript, which I've never touched before. Looking forward to that. And then I want to kind of delve into PHP side of things and build up a couple of. I've got like 3 or 4 different ideas for web apps that I'd like to build, but I've got kind of database driven and stuff like that. So that's the kind of final goal, really. At the minute, I could probably list out everything that I want to do and get someone else to build it, but I'd rather learn how to do it and build it myself, and then I can kind of make it the way that I want it. So I find that a lot of off-the-shelf products and stuff like that are built by people that aren't really in the industry of the thing they're building, and they end up not putting things in that you kind of would like. And when you ask for it, they're like, why would you want that? And because they just don't understand. So I quite like the idea of being able to do it myself, essentially. So okay, well, software and apps, not code, but if you ever want to learn about how to do good QA on your code, let me know. Oh, thanks very much. Cool. Yeah, beautiful. I'll keep that in mind and get in touch when I'm at that point. Thank you very much. Appreciate that. Cool. All right. So yeah, that's going quite well. Happy with that. So club update. There's I did the videos last night for the timetables, like I said I was going to do. So they're in our club members area. A quick video for me, I thought, 4 minutes 30 seconds. That was not too bad, to be fair. So yeah, just kind of explained what session everyone can go to, depending on their age and their grade and stuff like that. So that's all done. Today was the busiest session we've had in person so far, by a long shot. So we had 22, I think, in in the second open children's session, and then 9 in the open adult session, which doesn't sound a lot, but bearing in mind we're in one hall that's split into 2 at the minute, so we can only really fit kind of 20 comfortably of kids. So 22 is a little bit of a squash, but it was a really good session regardless. So yeah, really good. So club's going really well. So yeah, bank holiday Monday coming up, so we haven't got any sessions, but other than that, all good. Rex Raptor Gaming, hello. You need to let me know what we're going to do tomorrow, Mr. Gaming. If you haven't guessed by now, that's my lad. So moving on. Club update wise is all good. Okay, daily weight update. So yesterday I was 80.80. You'll have to go back and watch the replay, Rex Raptor Gaming, if you want to find out what you've missed. But yeah, you haven't missed that much, to be honest. So yes, 24th of August, we need to find out what the weight is today. So let's switch over, do that straight away. I'm hoping it should be good. I'm hoping to see a 7 at the start. So let's see. Get rid of these really heavy sliders. $80.1. That's not cool, man. I thought it might be a 7 again. Anyway, that's not too bad. It's not too bad. So 80.1. 80.10. The overlays, let's have a look. I've got a comment here. Man, those overlays are nice. Thank you very much. Yeah, if you want any making, let me know, because I do like making overlays and stuff like that. So like this little one down in the corner that keeps popping up like this and all that kind of stuff. All the overlays that are on this stream so far, I've created and made. So yeah, more than happy to create you some overlays if you want as well. And actually, Ecamm does now supports CSS overlays. When I say CSS overlays, I don't mean that. I mean it supports HTML files that are local, and you can use CSS to create an overlay. So if you're good at CSS in terms of animation and stuff like that, obviously canvas wise being 1920 by 1080, you can actually now drag and drop a HTML file in. So that's what I'm going to start playing with once I've done the CSS course as well, and see what kind of creations I can make on the fly, really. So that'd be pretty cool. Anna, thank you. Yeah, we're getting there. I'm getting there. 80.1, which tomorrow I would imagine I'm going to see a 7 again, 79 point something. So yeah, really good. I'm going to try and up the exercise a bit more tomorrow, and maybe cut out a little bit more of the food. So there's a couple of points today I've kind of eaten and not really felt hungry, so I need to only eat when I'm really hungry. But and I'm obviously I'm off, so I'm going to get a couple of runs in as well. So that will help, I think, rather than walking. So that's it. Right, thanks very much, guys. Yeah, thanks for commenting, joining in. Good to see you on the stream here, Kim. Appreciate that. And yeah, see you tomorrow, guys. Take care. Bye.